Hi, thanks for tuning in to 24 Rooter TV. In today's episode, we've been called down to a local business here in Yakima, in downtown Yakima, is K&K Furniture. So the only information we have right now is they have a toilet that they say isn't draining. So we'll see what happens. Sometimes this gets a little interesting, right?
That's always an adventure.
Well, come along, we'll show you what we run into. K&K Furniture specializes in furniture, spas, and custom cabinetry. Stop by and visit Jose and his staff at 201 South 1st Street in Yakima, Washington.
This is the only way to work like this, I'm telling you.
Hey, are you a local Yakima business? You want to get showcased on 24 Rooter? Give us a call. There's no extra cost. They've got us way back here. Back in a cubby hole. We gotta get our... Let me get some stuff moved out of the way here. You're gonna have to squeeze it back through here. It's tight quarters, of course. Well, looks like somebody tried with a little hand snake to do a sewer line. Well, what we got here is they took the toilet off for us. This is a back-to-back restroom. There's another employee restroom right on the back side of that. So that means when we put the snake in here, they're a real pain in the butt. We know this is a short run, so it'd be really tough to get the big machine in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get set up and try the smaller machine. That should do the trick. All right, we went over to the other toilet, flushed it, and if you'll notice down in here, it instantly backed up into this closet flange over here. So we're pretty sure, more than likely what's happened is right where they meet together, they'll go into a T, and right there, more than likely, will be just all plugged up with some crud. So the big trick though is getting the machine to go down the right way. If we have to, we can put a camera in there and see it to make it happen otherwise. So all right, so I'll give it a shot here. What I'm going to end up doing is taking this end and I'm going to put a heck of a bend on it. Like so. So the whole purpose is to get this in. And right where the two meet together, right there I believe, is where I might have it going down. I might have got lucky. Okay, I might have got it to go right down this first time, or I just go right up into the other toilet. Okay, try to explain this. I was able to get the cable to go into that sharp T. So, and the reason I know is because if we were going up into the other toilet, I would have some resistance and it's trying to go up into it. Whereas this, once it made it into the T, the cable just started falling in real good. So that means it's going down instead of up into the toilet. So that's what that's all about. Your turn now.
Alrighty.
Get in there and do what you gotta do, man.
Alright. You say the shit's almost there, you say.
Yeah. Let's hope so. Okay. Hey, okay, I'm gonna run over to the other side, the other toilet. I'm gonna flush it just one time real quick so we can get our water back up. So go ahead and keep snaking this and just bang on the wall if it's too much.
Gotcha.
Should be okay though, okay?